You are my friend, please.
I'm your friend. Get up. I don't have anything against you. Just get up. Stop.
Me.
You cannot prostrate for me now. For what? I say you cannot go inside. Christy, stop it.
Go inside.
I'm forgiving you, but you cannot go inside. Christy, what's up?
I've been calling you. You're not picking my calls. And the security guy, he said you warned him not to open gates for me. Why? Please now.
See, Christy,
come on, let me come
hold
in
on.
first.
Yes, I asked him not to open gates for you. You know why? Because I don't want.
Come in first.
You can't come in. I don't want to be seeing you anymore. And please, you are restricted from coming to this house.
I'm sorry. Let me come in.
Right now, we have to wait first. Wait. Okay.
Let me come in. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Christy, hold on. First of all, whenever you want to see me, if you call me, I don't pick. Just know I'm busy. I didn't ignore your call. I wasn't with my phone.
I should just know that you're busy.
I'm busy.
You've never been too busy to pick my call. Why now?
Secondly,
you've never been too busy to pick my calls.
I've opened the gate for you. But let's just stay here and summarize whatever you have to say, because I don't want Toby coming back to meet you, because they've gone out for football. So please, can I know what you're back here for?
See, my friend.
You're calling me your friend. I thought you said I'm not your friend.
You are my friend. We have been friends for so long. We have been friends for years, and the whole world they have known us now as friends. Please, let nothing separate us. I came to say that I'm sorry. I know that pouring you water was not right, but I wasn't thinking right. You will not understand. Please.
Can I ask you a question? Have I ever done anything to offend you?
Have I ever acted like this before? Have I acted like this before? Have I done
anything to upset you before?
Of course, no.
Why were you acting that way towards me? Did I offend you in any way?
We need to talk.
I have a lot
to tell you. I have something to tell you. Please forgive me. I just want you to forgive me first. First of all, I just want to apologize. Let's reconcile, please.
I don't have any. I'm not even keeping malice with you. I don't have any issues with you.
I take God beg you, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Can you get up? Christy, get up.
My friend. You are my friend, please.
I'm your friend. Get up. I don't have anything against you. Just get up. Stop
me.
You cannot prostrate for me now. For what?
Please forgive me. If it means for me to prostrate for you, so that you forgive me, no fine.
Don't lie down. See, you go dirty your clothes.
I don't mind doing this. I don't mind rolling on this floor for you. I don't mind rolling on the ground for you.
It's not worth it. Just get up.
Please.
It's not worth it. Get up. You don't have to lie down on the ground for me.
See, I take God beg you. I no go stand up unless you forgive me. I take God beg you.
Christy,
forgive
get up.
me and beg. Forgive me.
I'm forgiving you, Christy. Get up from the ground.
Please, see, I'm so sorry that I pull out like that.
Who advised you to come and apologize?
I myself, I knew that I went wrong at some point, and
Christy, did I ever force you to help Toby?
Well, let's let's not talk about all these things. Let's not trigger anything.
Do you know that ever since that happened, I saw you posting a lot of videos about this, painting me black. Do you know that if I had wanted to also paint you black, I would have also gone on my page and also rant about you? And
let's not talk about all these things. I don't understand.
The only
wrong thing that I know I've done is pouring you water, and that's why I am here to say I'm sorry.
Okay, that's the only wrong thing.
And to pull out without telling you the main reason why I pull out. Those are the two wrong things that I've done. I am here to say I'm sorry because you are my friend. We have been friends for long. Please, let's go inside, please.
You can't go inside. If you
want
to
go inside.
If you want to see.
Where is Joba? Where is Toby?
Joba not there. Joba don't go field.
Where is Toby?
They went out together. What happened?
Okay, it's fine. I just came to say I'm sorry. Let's go inside.
We can't go inside because I don't want Toby coming back to meet you at home.
You don't want Toby to come and
I don't want him meeting you. He's trying to heal. Toby is trying to heal. Okay, what do you want to see Toby for?
So I can no longer see Toby.
What do you want to see Toby for now?
I just want.
Do you enjoy seeing him?
To him?
Do you enjoy seeing him sad?
No.
See, Toby
You
is a
will not
very
understand.
free person.
That's
Toby
why-
is a very
that's why I
soft-hearted
said-
person. He does not have anything against you. There is no need for you to want to apologize to Toby.
That's the reason why I said I'm going to say, like, I want to apologize to him for pulling out that time.
Toby is not blaming
I
you
know
or
he needed
anything.
me more.
Yeah, but he's not blaming it on you. He blamed it on me and he has forgiven me. So
See.
let's just move on.
Remember our olden days. Remember now. Before then, we used to be.
I don't
good.
have any problem.
Have I
with
ever
you.
acted like that before? Have you seen me
You should
like
be
that?
telling me why you acted like that.
You should please just forgive me. Let's just get back together, okay? Please.
I've heard you. There is no problem.
Then let's go inside. They are not.
No, we can't go inside. If it's about going inside, we can't.
Let's go inside.
Christy, you can't go inside. You can't. We will meet outside. We'll meet outside. You cannot go inside. I say you cannot go inside. Christy,
But
stop
I'm
it.
going inside.
I've forgiven you, but you cannot go inside.
Why?
You can't go inside, Christy. Stop
If you're
it.
forgiving me, let's go inside.
Don't disobey me. I'm begging you. You cannot go inside. I don't want to be meeting you at home.
That means you have not forgiven me now.
I have. This is not my house. You can't go inside. If you want to go inside, it's in my own house, not in Ijoba's house. Just know that you are restricted from coming here.
Where should I? Okay. Let's just sit first.
Can we meet up later?
Let's just
Christy,
spend
I'll
at
give you my
least 2
time.
minutes. Just give me 2 minutes with
Christy,
you,
I've
please. I want to
forgiven
tell
you, but you cannot
something.
go inside here.
I want to tell you something. Let's just.
Should
go
I bring my
inside.
car key? Let's stay inside the car.
No.
Yeah, it will not work. Don't go inside. Don't go inside. I'm the one that brought you to Ijoba's house. We've never come here together before. Let me bring you come here, and I don't want you to be coming here anymore. Please.
You're playing. Are you joking? I want to tell you something.
Christy, we'll meet up in the evening.
I want to tell you something, please.
Christy, I said I've forgiven you, but you cannot go inside.
I want to tell
have.
you something, but before I tell you, I want to make sure that you are forgiving me, that we are back together before I say anything.
We are back
Please.
together. We are
My
forgiven
friend,
you.
please.
I've forgiven you, Christy. You want a hug? What do you want me to do so that you know that I've forgiven you?
I want to go inside. Let's
No,
just
not
sit.
this one. Not this one. They'll be coming back any moment from now. You can't go inside, Christy.
Z.
You cannot go inside.
Z, please now.
Christy, you cannot go inside. They will come back any moment from now. I'm begging you. I beg. I don't forgive you now. I don't forgive you. You know me. Okay. Now, I don't put something for my mind. I don't put something for mine. If you do something why I don't like, I will tell you immediately. So
you know I'm not always like this. You should know. Have I ever hurt you before? Have I hurt you before? Have I wronged you before? For the period of time we've been friends, have I ever wronged you before?
Yeah, you haven't, but you've done it, and I've forgiven you.
I'm sorry now.
We are all humans.
You also misunderstood me. And if you love me, this thing is even making it look like we've never been friends, because you're supposed to understand me. You're supposed to know that I am not always like this.
See, I don't want to talk about the past, but no matter anything, I will not do what you did to me. If you say something to me, I will listen to you. I understand you. But I tried to talk to you about. Didn't I ask you, Christy, what's the problem? I asked you, why do you want to just pull out so fast? Didn't I ask you? I tried to find out why.
I just feel that wasn't the right time to tell you.
No worry, let's not even talk about it anymore. I've forgiven you, but to go inside, no. I beg. For the sake of Toby, he's trying to heal. You know he's traumatized. Seeing you now is going to open up a new wound again.
Oh God. Z, please no. Please no.
More forgive.
Who forgive?
More forgive.
I'm going to forgive. You allow me inside.
Oh yeah, mama, for you fuck. No time for you fuck.
I'm so saying.
Even at this night or cause this evening I'm going out. I'm going out in the next 1 hour.
New phone, can you fan?
Come around maybe by 9. Come over soon. Moko. More forgive. You don't panic on this so now. Yeah. I've forgiven you.
Me, I'm not going. I will stay here till tomorrow.
What's this one?
I will stay here till tomorrow. I'm not acting drama.
Drama queen.
I will stay here till tomorrow.
Get up, Jerry. I'm forgiving you.
You've not forgiven me. If you
Christy.
forgive me, you will let me in. I know you very well. You've not forgiven me.
It's not for my own sake.
See, I don't have strength anymore. I'm not
forgiving
okay.
you. Get up.
I need
Christy,
you to,
get
really
up.
to forgive me, please. You have to forgive me, oh. You have to forgive me.
Oh yeah, get up. I'm forgiving you. If you sit down on the ground again, I'll not forgive you. But I'm forgiving you. We'll see. Meet in the evening. If you can come in the evening, fine. If you can come tomorrow morning, fine. In my own place, not here. Yeah. Let's be
Okay,
here.
let me come and sit and wait for my ride now.
This girl.
Let me come and sit inside and order ride before they get back. Now my ride will be here. Then I'll go.
Come in. You can only stay for 10 minutes. Oh. I have to call Ijoba and tell Ijoba not to allow Toby to come back. Wait until you leave. They will leave before you come. Sorry, they will leave before you go. You are making me confused. This girl, you've messed with my head. Before they make me, I dey try contemplate. I dey try think wetin I do you. I don't know wetin I do you. But it's all good. At least.
I'm not always like.
It's okay now. Oh yeah, come.